Hello everyone, this is Igor Reginovich from hdhead.com, and in this Avid DS tutorial we're going to learn how to build a glow effect. What we're going to utilize in this tutorial are the skills that we learned several weeks ago in the basic expressions tutorial when we talked about building a blur glow transition. The pieces that we're using in this glow are very similar. So how does a glow look like? Well, here's a simple text. Let's play that. That's a glow. Or if you apply the same effect to a live action clip, it would look something like this. Basically blowing out highlights and also altering color with this tint parameter. In its most basic form, a glow is nothing more than a blurred and gamma corrected image that's added over itself. So let's see real quick how that's built. We're going to create some black here on the timeline, and we'll take it to the paint tool and make just any title. Make that a little bigger so we can see what we're doing. That's good enough. Make it bolder, maybe a little smaller so we get it all on one line. That's good enough. But now I'm going to take that into the compositing mode, and I'm going to apply several operators here. Color correction and composite operator. So we have a blur, color correction, and composite. We'll feed our clip into the background of the composite operator and these two operators into layer 2 and send it to the output. Blur, I'm just going to go uniform for now. We'll use maybe this much blur. Close that, and in color corrector we're going to enhance the gamma of that, and in composite we'll change the transfer mode to add, and we have our glow. It's really as simple as that. Now of course we're changing colors or limiting which areas of the image are producing the blur. You can create interesting custom effects. Parameters that control the glow, which are the blur and gamma and any color settings that you may use, those can all be linked into custom parameters of Property Builder, which is a new feature in version 10, and with this you can use one or two sliders to control multiple effects. So what I'll do is I'm going to select these operators, hit 9 on the keyboard, double click this. We're going to lock that so it doesn't move, expand it, move that down here, open property effects, properties for blur effect. We'll lock that, and color corrector, and I will lock this as well. Just move it down so we see our image in the corner. So in Property Builder I will add a property, let's call it blur, or actually glow. Add property, and we'll link that to the radius. X radius will link to Y radius, and we'll also link this to gamma. So now what's going to happen is I move this, we're affecting gamma and X and Y radius at the same time. Now this is kind of crude, but if you download the effect, the finished effect from hdhead.com, you'll have a couple more parameters to control, and you're welcome to play with that effect and make it better. So this is it for glow. It's a really simple but very good and useful effect that you would normally, spend a lot of money buying as a third-party plugin, but you actually have all the tools necessary for this right here in the DS if you just put them together the right way.